motherfucker oil pan delivery. I don't think it's gonna be more efficient to do that, but. Unfortunately, the only damage on the engine is the most important stuff.
だからね、見る方にはたまんないね。たまんないですね。
これからチューニングを世の中に広めていこうっていう競争ですから、そういう意味ではその技術の進歩。
ほら、パーツ揃ってます。
A wild temptress of a steer makes for the Great Plains. Unfortunately for her, the operation is irrecoverable.
What potential do you see in this car?
Money. At this point, they got the quote for what it would cost to repair this thing, and it's like, you know, triple what the car is actually worth. They're just like, send that fucker to scrap, just get rid of it, I never want to see it again. So basically, we just have free reign and take whatever the fuck we want off of it before it ends up returning to the tweakers down the street. Oh yeah, we got these hats in here too. I don't know if that's the original clip is gonna end up in there. It's gonna be a pain in the ass getting the trans and the motor out together because the motor is so close to that fucking crunched in firewall, so.
In good old Portland fashion, we gonna chop this hoe out.
We're about 10 seconds in and we're already using the Sawzall for the first time, so.
So, Koljeet, what a lot of people don't know about you is...
Nice! Yeah, I did this for 6 years, working on the side of the road, fixing people's shit. In heat waves, I've worked in snowstorms. It's hot today.
Dude, my shirt is so fucking sweaty, it is just like stuck and clinging to me. It feels fucking terrible.
Hell yeah.
I am not used to this desert ass fucking weather, and it's been like hot for the last while too, so. Beep beep motherfucker, oil pan delivery. Okay, I'm taking every bolt off of this car too. I guess not that one. Whoever put this battery tray in last left some of the bolts loose. Thank God for that, because it's a pain in the ass to reach. For legal reasons, we are not doing anything at all. We're just relieving the tire pressure. That tire smells weird, bro. Why is it so, oh dude, it's getting colder over here. That's nice. Motor, trans, ECU, and wire harness are the ones that are things that we're really coming for this car. We might take ABS module too while we're in here. You know, Acura probably, well, Honda spent a whole lot of money designing this fucking car to be nice, robustly built, reliable. And I'm here to undo all of those things.
This is stressful.
Oh no, the back of it's fucked up. I don't know if this is still good or not. Look at me, I'm not fucking Koljeet. I actually got it in the goddamn drip pan.
Wow, amazing.
Don't tell him until he watches the video.
Oh my God, look at this. That's the oil filter. Okay, that's gonna be a problem. Oh, by the way, hey, I haven't showed you this. How do you feel about this?
This life ain't good enough. I'd give my love to lift you up.
I should have stuck with my fucking mechanical engineering degree. Then I would be designing this shit, not doing it.
What about doing things with your hands?
That's what the hose are for. God damn it. Yeah. Folks, they ain't at least 45% inbred. I don't want them. Remember what I was saying about our local brand image and how I wanted to appeal to Portlanders? I guess the environmental aspect of that is not going to be held up with this video. Listen, all these chemicals came from the earth in one way or another. As such, they will return to the earth. Damn, that thing is fucking nice.
Sounds great.
Holy, that sounds good.
No, all M lines are.
Oh, he's coming back.
S lines.
Dick is enormous. Ooh, sheesh, tell me about
Jesus,
that before you fucking do that there.
Fucked up the frame, so it's just getting it harder to pull it out.
Well, these cars were not constructed with the engine in like that. At the factory, they put the engine up into the car. So even if this wasn't like this, we would still have issues on trying to pull the transmission with the motor.
Okay. Unfortunately, the only damage on the engine is the most important stuff. I don't know, man. The J series is so weird. It's like it's in this weird middle ground with Honda enthusiasts where it's not like super popular, but it is very common. And right now they're super cheap. Someday they might get more expensive. I don't know. Oh, it fucking fits on there perfectly. Holy shit. Decided against the pushing strategy.
I just decided for me.
It's not really much. It's just getting stuck on a stupid lift here.
Yeah, you gotta come back up on this side.
Okay, so we got the motor and trans, and holy fuck, I think we were all about to die. I don't even know if that was worth the effort that it took. But I just want to show you just how fucking hot it is out, that my gloves are coming off fucking wet. Like my hands are genuinely dripping with sweat. It's like my 8th set of gloves too. This shit is fucking disgusting. But J32 A4, I think actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I haven't actually checked the code on it. I'm pretty sure it's an A4. All in, it's pretty good condition. The oil filter housing on it is broken, so I do want to compression test it, stick my borescope down there, make sure it doesn't look like it ran out of oil or was not dry or anything, but not too bad. We have had worse luck with motors than this, so. You know, we got it. It was free. Can't argue too much with it, right? Let's go fucking drink something cold.
Do that again, faster and more energy.
God, let's end a day, man.
Okay, kids, welcome back to the shoutouts. We got Ryan, aka Not a Ford. Shout out for always being a supporter. We love you, homie. Big ups, big dog. We'll see you in hell. Also, Dusty Dust Gaming.
Holy shit. 29 Thorns, the OG, he stays up at number 1. Number 2, new addition, we got Not a Ford, the homeboy Ryan. Shout out Team Sesh. Shout out Hollow Water Boys. He knows, if you know, you know. And Dusty Dust Gaming.
Shout out Dust 2.
If you need, shout out Dust 2.
Shout out Dust 2.
If you need Counter-Strike or Rainbow Six Siege gameplay at a moderate to novice level, this is your guy.
Shout out Dusty Dust. We love you, Dusty Dust.
Yeah.
Is there anything usable out of anything that we just filmed?
Yeah. It's gone.
What a fucking pile of shit.